Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. Alright family, as y'all noticed, last week I did not drop a video. That's because a couple of reasons. Reason number one, I just didn't feel like dropping a video. Like I told y'all in a previous video, I don't want to make this a job, so I'm gonna turn it back into a fun experience for me and for y'all. And the second reason is I wanted to wait until I got my results back from my third test for cancer. And the news is alright family, my test came back negative. As they say in prostate, my PSAs were undetectable, which means zero cancer. So my next test is on January the 13th, which will be the day I had my surgery, which will be 1 year cancer free. Yay for your boy. Alright family, enough of that, let's move on. Alright, last weekend me and my brother-in-law, we went fishing at a place called Toledo Bend. If you're from the Louisiana area, from the Texas area, Arkansas, y'all are probably familiar with Toledo Bend. If not, looking up, there's some great fishing there, great camping. We took the camper down. My brother-in-law took his boat. We booted up, hooked up. We spent the afternoon. We cooked supper, a beautiful supper. My brother-in-law cooked burgers. We cooked hot dogs. We made ourselves some sandwiches, and we had some sides. We had a wonderful time. And I also hooked up with my twin brother. That's right. I'm gonna drop some footage in right here and show y'all some footage of my twin brother, and you'll see why I call him twin. You in the back?
Hey.
Say hello to my YouTube family.
Hey, YouTube family.
This is my twin. I was telling everybody on YouTube, that's my twin, Mike. So now you can see why I call him my twin. What's up, twin?
What's up, twin?
What's up? All right, I'm gonna shut it down. I just want to introduce y'all to my twin brother, Mike. We had the exact same birthday, exact same year, exact same age.
Yep.
25 years of love.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
And Rosie got all the color and I got all the brain.
Beautiful. All right, family. Like I said in the video, he's my twin brother because we've been working together now for about 30 years. And our birthdays are both April the 23rd, 1963. And when we discovered that, we've been best friends ever since. The camping spot we went to at Toledo Bend is one of his favorites. So we're gonna wind up hooking up there probably about once a month because we both love Toledo Bend. My brother-in-law likes it. The fishing wasn't that great. It's more of a summertime fishing, and we like fishing for crappie, catfish, freshwater fishing. We didn't do that well, but we had a wonderful weekend. Now, enough of that. Let's move on to what this video is about. This is what they call the can cooker. The can cooker came out, I think, in about 2009. Guy invented this can cooker. It originated back in the cowboy days when they used to use I think it's called a cream can, and they used to do their cooking in a can. So that concept came from the old cowboy days. And what this is it's not a pressure cooker, it's more of a steamer. Now, I've never opened this before, and let me tell you why. I've owned this for about a year, and let me tell you why I'm just opening it and I'm just doing a review on it. When last year, about this time, we had our hurricane, and when we evacuated, I had just ordered this from Amazon. It came in, I put it away, and then we started our hurricane recovery when the hurricane was over. I put this thing underneath my wife's china cabinet in the bottom, and I forgot where I put it. I was going through doing some rearranging in the house, kind of looking around for different things, and I found the can cooker. And I said this would be a perfect opportunity for me to go ahead and do a review. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open this puppy up. Like I said, this is really, truly my first time opening this thing. I haven't even cut the tape. And of course I didn't bring a knife, but you know me, we'll just tear through this and make it happen. Now right here we got a quick start guide. Spray the inside of the can cooker with the bottom with non-stick cooking spray. Place the can cooker on the rack in the bottom can cooker, or place the rack in the bottom of the can cooker. And you can use this thing on a stove top, on an electric stove top, gas stove top, side burner or grill or a fire pit. But one of the things when I was doing my research on this, it said do not use in a turkey fryer. So obviously they've seen my videos and they know that I will try anything in a turkey fryer, and we've been warned not to try this in a turkey fryer. So with that being said, maybe we will, maybe we won't. You know how I am about my turkey fryer. All right, and that's all there is in the packaging, the box, and those instructions. Is there anything on the back? Nothing on the back. Lid. And it mentions that the lid has a hole in the top. And that's because that's to release the steam. Like I said, this is not a pressure cooker. It is more of a steamer. There is an instruction book. The book is on the inside. I'm assuming there is a, complete meal and some recipes in here to give you some more do's and don'ts. And by the way, this is the Can Cooker Junior. There's 3 models of this thing. There is the Can Cooker Senior, I guess you would call it. And there's the Can Cooker Junior. And then there's a smaller unit. I forgot what the name of it is. But I'll put it in the, either here on the screen or I'll put it in the description below. And this is a nice little carrying case for the can cooker. And we will be carrying this. You'll be seeing this in some of my videos when we go camping. All right, there you have it, family. Now, where is, I guess it doesn't come with the rack. You have to buy the rack for the bottom, because all the videos that I saw and all the research I saw, there is a rack that goes in the bottom of this thing. But that might just be for the larger can cooker, because the larger can cooker does not have the ceramic on the inside. The smaller 2 units have ceramic on the inside, which means you can or you don't have to spray these with a non-stick or a butter or put butter or anything in it, because the ceramic is a non-stick surface. So the Can Cooker Junior is 7 inches tall and it's 10 inches in circumference. Like I said, it has a hole in the top, and we will not be cooking anything in it this afternoon. Like I said, it's getting late. I want to do this video and get her out there. Like I said, no pressure, but I still want to get this video out there. Now, the way this thing works is you put water in it. You fill it up either 1/3, 1/4, halfway filled with water, but you want to leave some room at the top. I'm assuming right here around this, there is a serration here. You can't see it, but right about here, you want to fill it no fuller than that line. There's several different recipes with it. People like cooking stews in this thing. They like taking and tenderizing meat. Now, one video I watched, they said be careful with pork. If you cook pork, and the recommended cooking time for this thing is put the lid on, lock the lid down, if y'all can see that, lock the lid down, and put this on your flame. And in about 15 minutes, you'll see steam coming out of this hole. About 40 to 45 minutes, 60 minutes after you see steam coming out of this thing, according to what you're cooking, is the recommended cooking time. Now, as I was saying, if you're cooking pork, everything I saw said, go ahead and put, if you say you're making potatoes and carrots, onions, put all your carrots, onions, potatoes in here first. After about 15 minutes, when you see the steam coming out of this thing, then you drop your pork in, and that will keep the pork from being dry. Other than that, it's just to set it and forget it. Now, in my opinion, the best way to use this thing would be on something like my Coleman stove, on top of on your side burner on your barbecue pit, or some type of gas flame. One thing they did say, this does not work on one of those. What kind of oven is that? I forget the name of the oven, but the one where it has to touch the surface, and the surface of the bottom of the pan starts the cooking process on the oven. I'll put that in the on the screen or in the description below as well. But it does not work on that particular oven. All right, fam. Like I said, this is going to be a quick down and dirty video, like I always say. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I'm not going to do any cooking today because I said it's getting late. But in a future video, I will do some cooking. Now, with this being the first of the month, this is usually the time that I do questions from the hog pen. But believe it or not, we didn't have any questions this month, which means either I'm doing a real good job on my videos, or people just don't want to ask me any questions because I go too in depth into the answer, possibly. But no, hopefully that's just because we're doing a good job with these videos. So, what else? This is early October. Next month, November, the star of the show comes back out and starts to show itself. That being the Big Easy Turkey Fryer. So within the next 2 weeks or so, y'all stand by, because the Big Easy Turkey Fryer is coming back out. Our first video is going to be probably a cleaning video, getting set up for the season. And then after that, we'll start doing some cooking with the Big Easy Turkey Fryer. So y'all be sure to tune in upcoming weeks. Here in the near future, I'm probably going to be dropping a cool video on the Jeep as well. I've done a few modifications to the Jeep, a little bit of woodworking to the Jeep. I also found they make this vent material, and I'm assuming it's for the eaves of houses or something of that nature. But I've seen people in videos, they take it and they cut it out for their windows in their Jeep, and it makes ventilation. When you're camping at night, you roll that window up and you put that vent thing in the top, and it creates, you'll get fresh air coming through your vehicle without having to, and leaving yourself exposed to the elements, and leave yourself exposed to mosquitoes and bugs. So we're going to be doing that as well. So y'all be sure to tune in the upcoming weeks. We got some real good videos coming. And next week, me and my wife, and possibly my in-laws, my sister-in-law and brother-in-law, are headed with us to go camping at a place called Indian Village, which is, if you go back and check some of the earlier videos, it's the first place me and my wife went camping, and we tent camped there. So we got some real good content coming up. So all right, family, and I will be cooking something here in the near future, like I said, in this can cooker, because I'm really curious to see how it does with potatoes, with seafood. They say it does really good with shrimp, crawfish, and things of that nature. So all right, family, there it is. Once again, one more down and dirty video. So if y'all enjoyed this video, y'all give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumbs down, and a brief reason why in the comment section. And if you love what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. Y'all take care. Have a wonderful week and a wonderful rest of this 2021. It's your boy. Peace.